Hi you guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been 4 months since I posted my last long form video. Today I'm sharing a mini H&M haul featuring some basic tees and two very cute dresses. Let's see if they're worth adding to your wardrobe. So all of these are basic tees, but I feel basics are very important in your wardrobe, and the first t-shirt is this one. It's in a pretty butter yellow color. The fabric is cotton. It does have like a pop of color with the print. I love the fit of it. It looks so good. You can style this in so many ways. I got this in the small size and I feel it fits perfectly. I pair it with a dark blue denim. There's so many ways you can probably style it. I think it will also look really good with a skirt too, and I also want to buy a skirt, especially a denim skirt, and then create some cool outfit with that. So yeah, this one is also available in so many other prints and also so many other colors, and right now H&M is on a huge discount, so you can go and check that out as well. Oh, the next t-shirt that I have is very basic, but I think I love this one because it's giving very clean girl aesthetic, white, and I think everybody should have a white plain tee, but this one does have a little print on it. It says botanic and little flower as well. Also, this is in cotton again. This is not a t-shirt, but it's a crop top. Whenever you're shopping for crop tops on H&M, always go a size up because they come a little shorter. So that's what I prefer. I also love this detailing going on here. On the neck. The crop top is very simple, so you can go a little heavy on the accessories and then spice this outfit. It has a lot of potential, so don't miss out on that. And again, the fabric is cotton and it's breathable, so perfect. One who mostly shop my t-shirts from H&M, I think they provide a good quality. Whenever there's a sale, you get all of these on very good prices. They are sold out most of the time, and mostly small size and M size you don't get it. So I found this pink t-shirt and I got it only for 250 rupees. It's in pink color. The fit is great. I love how it fits on my body. It's very basic. Again, I think it will really good nice with a lighter pair of jeans, probably some light wash denim, or also on some white trousers. That's what I think when I think about this particular t-shirt. Also, again, you have so many colors available. This is in M size and I think it fits the best for me. And the last top that I'm going to show y'all is this particular one which I'm wearing now. As soon as I saw this color, I directly added this to my cart. First thing is I love the color combo, the black and the powder blue, and I don't have anything in powder blue. I was also contemplating whether it will look nice on me, but then I just got it. It says poetic particular text is not printed, it's embroidered, and I love it. It makes it more premium, and again, it's in M size. If you play a little safer with your outfit, you can definitely pair this one with a white trouser, but if you want to have a little fun with this t-shirt, you can definitely go and layer it with some brown pants, and I think powder blue and brown will look so good together. That's it for the tops. Now I have two dresses with me and they are adorable, they are cute, they are cotton, but the sad part is that they don't fit me and I have to return them. One of them fit very loose and one is too big, so yeah, still I'm gonna show it to you guys. I love the print on it. I'm sure you all must have seen this on Instagram. Kitko boro dista raha. Just wanted it so badly. This is how it looks. It's in extra small size. I think I should have gone a size up, probably a small. I think that would have been good, but I love the print on it. I cannot even wear it because it doesn't fit me, so it's very pretty. I love the whole pattern. The green on white looks so premium and I love it. It also has this on the back which snatches your waist area. The second one is also something that I really love. It's a long dress. It's so pretty. It's giving very cottage core vibes. It's in size M. If I had gotten this in small size, it would have worked perfectly. It also comes with a zip at the side, and this has a little corset kind of a thing going on, so it really gives you that snatched waist look, but love the pretty color. And also there's tiny flowers on it. It makes it so girly. Also, it's very easy breezy and I love a good maxi dress. and it also has these straps, and at the back also you can adjust it, but it's too big for the adjustment part, so nothing can be done with this one and also that one, so I'm gonna return. Yeah, that's it. With that, this pretty haul comes to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video after a long time. It was quite a mini H&M haul, but I think I've made conscious choices, and I love every t-shirt that I own, and I'm really planning to style them in different ways rather than just pairing it with a denim. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and I'll see you soon in the next video very soon. Until then, subscribe if you all haven't subscribed. If you have watched the video up till here, give this video a big thumbs up. That will mean a lot to me and also help my channel grow. And yeah, I'll see you soon in the next one.